One time oh my god, oh. Hi guys, welcome back. So today we're gonna be trying a bunch of hacks that I saw online that supposedly make your lips bigger. So I'm trying them so you don't have to. Let's see which ones actually work. About the size of my lips, so I'm just gonna put it over and suction so that my lips go into it. Honestly, they're a little bigger. I think you can see the line though right here. Not bad, not bad. Just be careful with what you use, because I've seen people use things that are, the edging is too hard and it actually hurts them, like it leaves a mark. This one kind of has a soft rounded edge, so if you're gonna try this, make sure that you pay attention to that. And also, don't suck too hard. You should feel the suction, but you don't want it to feel painful. You want to be able to pull it off easily. If you're not able to pull it off while you're still suctioning, that means it's just way too tight of a seal and you're gonna hurt yourself. But look, like I was actively suctioning and I was still able to pull it off. So if you can't do that, then just stop, because you don't want to hurt yourself. Can you guys hear the rain? It's not nice. This feels so counterintuitive. And there's the finished look. If this was 2009. So from far away, like if this was just for a picture or something, I think it's fine, but when you get close, it's just not cute. My actual lip line, it's 3D, like it protrudes out. So if you had those soft, pillowy Priyanka Chopra lips, that I think you can, I mean, not that you would want to overdraw those lips, but if you did, I feel like you'd be fine, because it's kind of like a smooth transition. For me, my upper lip is very much like, so you could just clearly tell where my real lip line is. I'm gonna say overdrawing your lips for my lip shape doesn't really work. You're supposed to use lash glue, put it like right on your upper lip here, and then just glue your lips like this so that you can see what it would look like if you had more volume. I don't have lash glue, so we're gonna use body tape. It'll be fun to see what it looks like. Take off the plastic bit. So there's the tape. Now we're just gonna see what that looks like before I scare you. Wait. Yeah, it's definitely lopsided. Yeah, let me do it right. Hold on. For science. Okay. Maybe I need to also like do it on the sides. This looks like an episode of Botched. I feel like I can breathe better. Oh my god. All right. Okay, so if you're smiling, yeah, my lips don't look like this when I smile. Oh my god. How attractive. Let's pretend like we can't see it. Let me just cover it with my floss real quick. I think having a little bit of front tooth show is so cute. Like Emily DiDonato, it's so beautiful. I feel like it's so youthful. Not worth this though. Like I don't know what way there is around that.
Wasabi lip mask. I'm gonna put the wasabi on the cotton pad. I'm not putting it on over the whole mask, kind of the shape of my lips. And I'm just gonna hold it against my lips. I can't do this. Whoa, my lips are huge and red. Woo! What I'm starting to realize, the more it hurts, the bigger your lips get. The more pain, the more gain.
It smells so strong. Ooh, that burns. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my god, that's not even that much, and that hurts. I'm adding more because I'm already committed at this point. One time oh my god, oh. It's weird, the pain like comes and goes. Oh my god, my mouth is watering. Whew. Okay. Is this safe? I mean, you eat it, so I guess it's fine. Okay, the pain's kind of subsiding. Maybe I'll go in with a second coat. I was eating hot ramen one time and the sauce was so spicy that I was like, what if I just put it on my lips? So I wonder if it would pulp them up. So I took a little bit of sauce, dabbed it on my lips, and oh my god, it was so fucking painful. I went to try to wash it off. I tried to wash it off. Water made it worse. Basically had to just endure the pain until it finally faded. I don't recommend. Oh, and I think I ended up putting Vaseline on thinking that would help, and all I did is lock it in. So I think it like flushed my lips. I think they have more color now than they usually do when I'm not wearing any lipstick. They do feel a little bit bigger. Honestly, that pain wasn't worth, not just the pain and the inconvenience of grabbing the wasabi is just, it's just not worth this result. Yeah, see, that's kind of what I want. I want more like, you know, poutiness.
Oh my god. That's the big one.
So you're supposed to like pinch it. You could probably honestly just use your hands. I think what that's doing is just making the blood rush there, and that kind of makes them temporarily bigger. I mean, it didn't do anything more than just smacking your lips or just like pinching them would do. So yeah, my lips are still small, but that's okay. That's pretty much what you can expect out of these types of hacks. Like, they're not usually gonna work that well. I hope you found this entertaining, and I pretty much don't recommend any of these, but if you wanna try them out, it was fun. All right, bye.